Organizing is the management function that creates the organization's structure. When managers develop or change the organization structure, they're engaging in organizational design, which is the process of making decisions about how specialized jobs should be, the rules to guide employees' behavior, and the level at which decisions will be made. Organizing and organizational structure have undergone much change in the 80 years since the basic concepts of organization design were formulated by management writers such as Henry Fayol and Max Weber. Let's now look at 6 basic elements of organizational structure and dig a little deeper into a few of them. Work specialization, departmentalization, authority and responsibility, span of control, centralization versus decentralization, and formalization. Work specialization is the division of work activities into separate job tasks. At the Wilson Sporting Goods factory in Ada, Ohio, workers making NFL football specialized in job tasks such as molding, stitching, and sewing to increase work output. When first introduced, specialization almost always generated productivity. But at some point, the human diseconomies, boredom, fatigue, stress, low productivity, poor quality, increased absenteeism, and high turnover exceed the economic advantages. Most managers today see work specialization as an important organizing mechanism because it helps employees to be more efficient. However, managers also have to recognize its limitations. Early management writers argued that common work activities needed to be grouped together to get them done in a coordinated and integrated way. How jobs are grouped together is called departmentalization. There are 5 common forms of departmentalization, as seen in Exhibit 6.2, although an organization may use its own unique methods as well. The first is functional departmentalization, or grouping activities by function, such as engineering, accounting, information systems, and human resources. This is one of the most popular ways of organizing the workplace, and its major advantage is that it achieves economies of scale by placing people with common skills and specializations into common units. The second is product departmentalization. This groups employees based on a corporation's major product areas. Each product is under the authority of a senior manager who is a specialist in and responsible for everything related to his or her product line. The advantage of product grouping is that it increases accountability for product performance because all activities related to a specific product are under the direction of a single manager. Number 3, employees can also be grouped by the type of customer or organization that it seeks to reach. For example, the sales activities in an office supply firm can be divided into 3 departments that serve retail, wholesale, and government customers respectively. The assumption underlying customers' departmentalization is that customers in each department have a common set of problems and needs that can be best met by a specialist. Number 4, another way to departmentalize is on the basis of geography or a territory, which is called geographic departmentalization. The sales function might have Western, Southern, Midwestern, and Eastern regions. 5th is the process of departmentalization, which groups activities on the basis of work or customer flow. Examples of process departmentalization can be found in many states' motor vehicle offices and in healthcare clinics. Units are organized around common skills needed to complete a certain process. It is interesting to note that some companies, such as Black & Decker, organize their divisions along functional lines, their manufacturing units around processes, and their sales around geographic regions, and sales regions around customer groupings. Still other organizations use cross-functional teams, which are teams comprised of individuals from various departments who tackle complex tasks in which diverse skills are needed. Note also that today's competitive environment has refocused the attention of management on its customers, so many organizations are placing greater emphasis on customer departmentalization.